Hello everybody, this is Baby Himmy again, trying to do the sound. Last time it was quite distorted. Let me try it again by popular request to get this a better sound upload.
Are you Samuel James Witwicky, descendant of Archibald Witwicky?
Yeah?
My name is Optimus Prime. We are autonomous robotic organisms from the planet Cybertron. But you can call us Autobots for short.
Autobots.
What's cracking, little bitches? My first lieutenant. Designation Jazz. This looks like a cool place to kick it.
How do you learn to talk like that?
We've learned Earth's languages through the World Wide Web. My weapons specialist, Ironhide. You feeling lucky, punk? Easy, Ironhide.
Just kidding. I just wanted to show him my cannons.
Our medical officer, Ratchet. The boy's pheromone level suggests he wants to mate with the female. You already know your guardian, Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. Check on the right. Yep, second and none. You're my guardian, huh?
His vocal processes were damaged in battle. I'm still working on them.
Why are you here?
We are here looking for the Allspark, and we must find it before Megatron.
Mega what?